I'm Dr. Connie Keespool-Carver, here to discuss a popular method in conventional medicine of helping women in the perimenopausal and menopausal years with hormones. What I'm referring to is oral contraceptives, otherwise known as the birth control pill. While this might be convenient and it might be covered by insurance, it is not the best solution, and I'll tell you why. By definition, birth control pills contain synthetic hormones. We know synthetic progestins are associated with higher risks of breast cancer, strokes, heart attacks, and blood clots. And actually, the blood clots are probably partly from the oral estrogen. So even if your estrogen is bioidentical, we don't ever recommend that you swallow it. Higher risk of blood clots and strokes. And again, synthetic progestins, all of these problems. So why would women want to do that when we've got bioidentical hormones available? If you want to keep your health optimized, don't go on the birth control pill in your perimenopausal years. It's only going to add to your risk. And we are, of course, wanting to optimize your health, not to add to your risk. So that's my note for the day on birth control pills and the menopausal woman.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Form Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.